Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to conduct a portfolio project video. In this video, I will show you pizza sales project analysis, and let's run the CSV file of pizza sales. This is the file which we need to analyze. Okay, this is the file. You can see here is pizza ID, the first column, order ID, the second column. They are not definitely the primary key, and pizza name ID. Okay, then quantity, order quantity per order. Okay, then order date. This means that the place order date of any order ID. It's order time, unit price, total price. Okay, total price. Let me clean it first. Though it's cleaned, just I want to show you that this is the header line. Okay, column name including. Okay, then you can see the pizza ingredients, which ingredients are used in this pizzas. Okay, the pizza category, pizza size, MLS. Okay, the pizza name is over there. Okay, let's see some SQL programming over this pizza sales report. Okay, our demand is pizza sales analysis project. This project is divided into some questions. First one is KPIs. We have to calculate the KPIs, including total revenue, average order value, total pizza sold, total orders, and the average pizza per order. Okay, and the following are daily trend for total orders and so on. We will discuss it as later on this video. Okay, let's start one by one. First, we have to import this CSV file or Excel file, which whatever you have in your computer or laptop. You have to first import this data sheet on this SQL management, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. It's easy to import data. Now, first I want to create a database. Okay, then here is the new database. I am giving the name of this new database is pizza sales, as I am going to analyze the pizza sales report. Okay, pizza sales is going to be the name of my database. Click OK. Okay, it's create, then plus it. Here you can see the tables, then plus it. You can see that there is no table in this pizza sales database. Okay, let's import the file of pizza sales report. Okay, right click on first click on the pizza sales, and then right click of the mouse and then task. Okay, I'm going to task and import flat file, not the import data. I just click on import flat file. It's easier to import data from your laptop or browser anywhere else. I'm going to select the import flat file, and you can see I just want to click next. Then here is the window, location of file to be imported. I click in browse. Okay, it's direct me to the to my exact location I have uh, import it earlier on, so it's direct me to this location. And there is a file pizza sales. I just want to click this, or you can also select the all files. You can see the pizza sales Excel file or pizza sales CSV file, whatever you want. You can export, you can import this. Okay, I want to import the pizza sales CSV. Okay, then open. You can also select the pizza sales Excel file. Okay, let me import the CSV file. Open. Okay, let's next. Here showing that cannot open file. Okay, this because of used by another application. First confirm that this file is not going to be opened in another file CSV, another apps like Excel or Notepad. I just want to close this. Okay, don't worry, I cancel this. Okay, I don't want to save this. Okay, then I repeat the next button. Okay, it's now going to be imported to my Microsoft SQL Server Management System. Here is the preview of our data set. You can see. Okay, now I am going to click next. Here is some interface. We have to change some of this data type because of pizza ID is there is a small integer, but it's not a small integer because of our data set includes many of data, and this data not uh, a small integer. I replace this by integer. Okay, a small integer is replaced by integer because of there can be big page ID such as 4,000, 5,000. This is not a small integer. Okay, then order ID is tiny integer. I want to change this also. I want to change this to integer in worker 50. I want to also change it to worker 50. Okay, in worker 50 to worker 50, then it's also integer. This order date, our order time is okay to me. Then I'm going to change this. Pizza size is to in worker to worker. Okay. Then pizza category, I just want to change this to worker, and okay, pizza category is 50. Okay, it's fine. And worker 50. And pizza ingredients also burger, but it's should be 100 because of there might be a lot of ingredients that doesn't cover in 50 character, so I put it down to 100. Okay, it's not necessarily okay. In worker I will change this to worker 50. Then okay, fine, it's fine. I am going to next this window. You can see this window. Okay, that's all fine to me. Then finish. I will click finish, and inserted data is going to be progresses. Okay, it's done. Insert data is done. That close. Okay. Now refresh the pizza sales database. Okay, I want to refresh this. Okay, and click on tables. You can see a table called dbo.pizza sales. Okay. Let's have a look on this data set. Okay, edit top 20. No, I don't want to edit this. I just want to see this. No, I don't want to edit this. Okay, then close this. I will close this, and I want to Select top 1,000 rows so that I can see how much what the data is. Okay, here is the preview of our CSV file. Then I'm going to insert a new query over there. Okay, new query. Okay, this is new query here. Okay, let's our work start. Okay, first one is our KPIs. KPI. Okay, KPI. In KPI, we are going to look at total revenue. We're going to look at total revenue. I'm going to extract the total revenue first. Okay. My first task is to calculate the total revenue. Okay, total revenue. I'm going to select, no, I just want to select this. See this first. Select all from pizza cells. Okay. Pizza cells, then run it, execute the query. You can see these, the CSV file divided into different column as per our header. Okay, then I am going to calculate total revenue, which can be extract from the total price. Total revenue, what is total revenue? Total revenue refers to the total of total prices. Okay, total of total prices is equals to our total revenue. Then I am going to select, sorry for the, select total prices, total price. Okay, total price from pizza sales. Then I'm going to run it. You can see there is a new output. Okay, total prices. I just select total prices here and I'm going to sum these total prices to calculate our total revenue. Then I'm going to sum it, sum the total prices. Okay, and I'm going to name this as total revenue because this is our total revenue output. This will be our total revenue output. Okay, as total revenue from pizza sales. Okay, let's run it. Here is our total revenue. Okay, and you can see that there is bunches of integer after the decimal point. Okay, I don't want so much. I just want two integer, two of this point 0.5 will fine for me, and I, so that I want to cast this. I want to cast this value as, okay, let me handle this decimal. Okay, 10 to 2. Okay, this 2 refers that there will be 2 digit after this decimal point. Okay, after this decimal point I want 2 digit only, so that I put here 2, number 2. If you want 3 digit, then you can also put here 3. So that's it. I'm closing this with a first bracket parenthesis called, then execute. Okay, it's fine. Now you can see that there is 0.05. Okay, it's will fine. And I want to, what I want to do, I want to take a screenshot of this total revenue. Okay, total revenue, and I will save it as number 1 here. Okay, number not one. I just want to give it number two, then save these images and let's put it down over there over where total revenue. Okay, I just want to insert this image. I have already called. Okay, picture. I'm going to jump on analytics hubs, then my projects. Okay, this is the file I have already take a screenshot. Took a screenshot over there. Okay, insert it. Okay, this is my total revenue. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. It's my total revenue. Average total order. I just want to crop this. No, 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 no. It's fine. It's okay. And average order value. Average order value. I have to calculate our average order value. How could I do that? Let's go to the management system. Okay. Just also want to copy this to here. Mm, okay, I want to paste this over there. Okay, one of my work is done and average order value. Order value is what? Order value is what? That means how many order I got and what is the value of per order? What is the value of per order? Okay, this is called the average total, average order value. Let's first do this. Okay, I have to now find average total, average order value, order value. Okay, average order value. Then I have to calculate the average order value first. I have to select what? Select sum of total prices, sum of total prices, total prices. This is a basic math. You must know this from what? From pizza sales. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's run it. Execute. I execute this. Okay, it's earlier. You can see total prices. If I divide the sum of total prices by the order. Okay, by the order. How much order I got previously, then I would get the average order value. Okay, here you can see the order ID. Per ID is unique. Per ID is unique. Here is one, here is two. You can see there is bunches of two, 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 five, two. It doesn't mean that there is one person and have different order. It doesn't mean that. It means that the five two refers to a one order. The this five two order ID is refers to one order. Okay, so because of this duplicate value, I have to count this distinct. I have to count this distinct order ID. So I will get exact uh, total of order ID. Okay, then divide it by count distinct order ID. Distinct order ID. This refers to our total order ID. Okay, our total order. If I divide the sum of total prices by the count of distinct order ID, I will get the average order value. Okay, the average order value. Let's execute this. Here you can see the what you can see 38.30. Okay, $38.30 is the average order below. Is the average order below of our data set. I want to give a name of this column as average average order value. Okay, it's fine. And I want to cast this to a decimal. I want just digit after this decimal point. So I have to cast this equation, okay, as decimal 10 to, okay, that's fine. I just close this. I have to execute this again. You can see that 38.30 is our average order value. Okay, I am going to take a snapshot of this value so I can put it to my Word file. Then save as, I will save this as 3, number 3 PNG, and I'll copy this. I'll put it down here. Okay. Then I'll insert the images. I have already take a snapshot. Okay, it's fine. Then I have to calculate the total pizza sold. I have to calculate the total pizza sold. How much pizza sold over the year of a company. Okay, so total pizza sold, our next KPI. Total pizza sold. Total pizza sold over the year refers to the total of the quantity. The total of the quantity column. Okay, so I want to select quantity. Quantity. I have to select quantity. Okay, that's fine. From pizza sales. Okay, from pizza sales. It's fine. Let's execute this. You can see it's quantity column. Okay, it's fine. And I want to just total of this. I want to sum of this, and I will use the sum function over there. Okay, it will give me the total value of a quantity that refers to total pieces sold. Select sum to of, okay. I'll give this a name of this column total pizza sold. Okay, total pizza sold. It's fine. And I'm going to execute this. Okay, total pizza sold is 49,574. Okay, which is a huge amount of selling pizza over year. Okay, I am going to take a snapshot of this also. Total pizza sold. I'll save it as number 4. Save it as number 4 over there and minimize this, and I'm going to copy this and want to paste this over the Word file. Okay, here is it. Also, I want to insert the average order value. Now, total pizza sold images that I have already took the screenshot, and this is the number 4. Okay, total pizza sold. Then total orders. How many orders a company get over the year? So our next task is total orders. Okay, total order is nothing but the sum of what? Sum of what? Sum of the order ID. Okay, sum of the order ID refers to our total order. Here you must have the knowledge that there is some duplicate values in order ID 222. It doesn't refers that it all are the different order, all are the different order. It doesn't refers that, it doesn't mean that. It means that this is our single order ID. So we have to distinct this duplicate value to one. Okay, so I have to select count of distinct order ID, which will refers to our total orders over the year. Okay, order ID from pizza sales. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, our total order is what? 21,350. Okay, I'll going to take a screenshot. Yes, it's done. Save it as number 5. I'll copy this and put it down to our total orders. Then I'll insert the images of total orders. Okay. Okay, there is a mistake over there. I just want to give this column a name that refers to total orders. Okay, orders. Let's run it again, and I'm going to take a screenshot again. Okay, it's fine. I'll give this the name 5 because the previous image doesn't have any column name. Okay, I'll click yes, then I'll insert this image to what? To here in an order file. Then I have to look at average pizzas per order. Average pizzas per order. Okay. Hmm. Average pizzas per order. I have to find out the average pizzas per order. Huh? Right. What does it means? It means that the total quantity will be divided by the order ID, unique order ID. Total quantity will be divided by the unique order ID, and we will get the average pizzas per order. Okay, now select sum of quantity, sum of quantity of pizzas, and I'll divide it by the count of distinct order ID. Okay, distinct order ID. Okay, that's fine. And I will give this a name as average pizzas per order. Average AVJ pizzas per order. Okay, from pizza sales. From pizza sales. Okay, that's fine. Let's run it. Execute. I execute this. So there is approximately two. Okay. The value is two average speeches per order. Okay, I want to cast this to a decimal number so that I could get the exact values of our total of our average pages per order as decimal to 10.2. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Let's execute this. I just want to execute this. 2.00. Okay, it's fine. It's 2.00. Then I'll going to take a screenshot from here. Result messages. I'll save it as number 6. Save. I'll minimize this and I'll copy this, put it on over there, and I am going to insert the picture of number 6 of average pages per order. Okay, this is bullshit. No, this is not bullshit. I just put it down the next page. Okay, our KPI is done. Okay, our KPI is done. Then our next topic is to to calculate the daily trend for total orders, monthly trends, and there will be a next lecture on this topic, portfolio project SQL part 2. Okay, let's see you in there.